Today I'll be covering limits. A limit describes what value a function approaches as x gets close to a point. Now if we're approaching from the right of an x value, we have a right limit, and this is the notation. And we also have a left limit when approaching from the left. We also have the two-side limit for when the left and right limits are equal to each other. Now, to find the limit at approaching a certain x value graphically, you can first approach it from the right and then approach it from the left. Now, if they equal the same value, your two-side limit exists. Otherwise, it doesn't. Now, to find limits algebraically, you can first try direct substitution, or if you get 0 over 0 indeterminate, you can either factor and cancel like this, or you can multiply by the conjugate if there's a square root like this. So here are two essential limits. You just should memorize these for the AP exam because there's extensive proofs and you don't get a formula sheet. For continuity at x equals a, you need to have f of a to be defined, the limit as x approaches a to exist, and the limit as x approaches a to equal f of a. Now there are three main types of discontinuities: a hole, which is removable using a piecewise function; a jump, which makes it so that the limit at that x value doesn't exist; and an asymptote or an infinity discontinuity. Here are the two most important theorems for this unit. First is IVT, and the second is squeeze theorem. You can pause and give it a read. And one more thing, never drop your limits. You'll lose points on the AP exam. Thank you guys for watching.